You like your high share? You like your fish? Eat your fish na. Delicious? 1-year-old pa lang yan, si Butchoy, ha? Galing-galing. Alay sa Jonah. 1-year-old pa lang, marunong kumain mag-isa sa kanyang favorite na high chair. Tinan mo talaga, tinataas pa yung damit niya. Parang loko yung, sino ba yung babae niya? Eat na. Delicious? Smile. Pakit, pakit, pakit. Gigil, gigil, gigil. Gigil. Oh, where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Point your eyes. Nahulog. Oh, delicious. Oh, gigil na, gigil na. Gigil na. Show here, show here.